Hi, my name is Randall Hunt. I'm a software engineer and developer evangelist at Amazon Web Services, and I'm really happy to be here in Portsmouth today. The first thing customers always ask me about is how they can save money. The second thing customers ask me about is how they can build new stuff. What things can they do now that they couldn't do with their previous infrastructure? So cloud typically lets you save money by trading this this capital expenditure for this operational expenditure, and it lets you kind of think and reason about things in an on-demand fashion. Whereas in terms of agility and ability to build stuff, it reduces the time that it takes you to get from idea to completed project to running in production. And that's where I have the most fun as a software engineer, is kind of getting customers to that running in production stage. For 2018, I think the really big trend is going to be in serverless, things like Aurora serverless, where you can have your database scale down to 0, things like Lambda that have more and more updates that have happened since reInvent, and I can assure you more are coming, where you get to build just the components of your infrastructure that let you do your business goals. You don't have to focus on patching servers, you don't have to focus on running security updates or any of that. You push all of that responsibility onto a provider like AWS, and you just focus on the application code. It's a really, really exciting paradigm that I think is going to continue to take off. So someone like GreenPages can be very helpful for customers who know that they want to be in the cloud. They know that there are advantages for both cost-wise and agility-wise in moving to the cloud. They don't have the in-house expertise. They don't necessarily have the experience to run in the cloud in a efficient way. So GreenPages can come in and kind of help you solve a lot of those problems. Well, at AWS, we don't really comment too often on our future roadmap, but I think that this trend of serverless, and I know it still has servers in the back end, but this trend of moving all of the undifferentiated heavy lifting off of the dev and ops teams and onto AWS, that trend will continue. So you will see more and more kind of serverless opportunities coming up with AWS, in my opinion. Well, colonize, I think, is a little bit different from land on Mars. First humans on Mars, I'm going to bet 2022. I'm going to bet July of 2022. Then colonize, self-sustaining colony, I'm going to say 2050s.